So there, today is July 31. Diba? So it's the rise of the warriors and soldiers of justice. So are we one of them? Are we part of the truth and justice that we will be having now? Diba? So ganun lang, mga kapatid. It's our choice whether to change or not. So yan, ganyan po tayo ngayon, mga kapatid. We have to level up. Hindi tayo pwede mag-stagnate kasi pagiging stagnant, that means already that we are already dead in the spirit. So we have to learn, we have to push through with our good heart for now, diba? And then I'll be leaving you with those for. And the question is, are we having this loss of the country to sell the offices for wealth, or are we using this laws to protect each other's corruption? Diba? So, mga offices ng government, that would be a question that you have to answer. And one more thing, are you loyal to the truth and justice? Because that is where God dwells. That's His Spirit. So everyone that will overcome will have their crown of life. So there. What else? So the honorable women will be coming up. It's their rise. Sila yung mga Amazon na talaga sa spirito. Okay, so ano pa? Yes. Every leader should be sovereign. So ang isang pinuno ay dapat na magtaglay ng sapat na kapanahunan or sapat na karunungan. Okay? At katadagan ng kinakailangan upang mamahala, for us to be rulers, sapagkat ang lakas ng kaharian ay nakasalalay sa kanyang pagkatao. Kung paano ang backbone ang sumusuporta ng buong katawan natin, gayon din naman ang isang karapat-dapat na pinuno. So the backbone of the people are their leaders. The backbone is their leader. Okay? So yun, na dapat sumusuporta sa mga mamamayan. A leader should know how to pasan the bigat ng kapakanan ng mga tao. Pinapangalagaan mo ang hustisya at ginagabayan mo ang bansa na may dangal. Diba? Tapos hindi matitinag ang iyong paninindigan. Yan. So that's all for now for this evening. So good evening, guys.